Oh, what they having down there, so that's where they're collecting the donation stuff. All sort of things happening out here, guys. I'm not even sure where to go. Picture taking, donation, collecting, enough things. Let's go this way first. But not as sunny as yesterday, but it's okay. Photo shoot, guys. It's photo shoot happening. I took a screenshot yesterday. I don't know where it is. I should have put it on that video. My afternoon walk. Let me walk a little faster. See if I can get rid of this tiredness. Guys, I feel so tired and drained today. And it's just Wednesday. And it's just 12:38. I have 3+ hours to go. The day has been long, hectic, very hectic, guys. Yeah, today is a busy day at work. Whew, how are you doing? Oh, guys. I see some people on, but they're not talking to me. I decided to walk the other way because when I walk with my back facing the cars, I'm afraid of getting it down. So I reversed the walk today. Yeah, so I can see the cars. Hi. Guys, I'm going to show you the river. Oh, that's beautiful. See it? I'm overlooking the river this time. Look at the river. Ooh. Seeing the river, guys? It's way down there. Way down there. So I'm on top of the hill. And a whole lot of activities going on. It seems like music playing. So I'm gonna have to mute the live when I get there. Something is happening. I don't remember what they said they're having today, But it looked like live entertainment. So if it's live entertainment, guys, I don't have to mute. Only if it's recording. Yeah. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome in, like up the live, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe. Yes, it's live entertainment. So I don't have to mute. So much things happening outside here. Guys, I can't even show no. Only put something go on, you know? Clothes the pan rock. Look like them I sell clothes. Either selling or collecting or or donating. I don't know. I'm not so sure what's going on. Tent down there. Yeah, it's live entertainment. Woo! Thought I get rid of the buggies. A whole lot of things happening. What? Can't even show no guys. But it's pure excitement down there. Mm-hmm. Live entertainment. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Now listen to music, guys.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Doing fine, thanks.
Okay,
Lovely
great.
day, huh?
Yes, it is. Not so lovely like yesterday, now, guys. But anyways, we are outside. Oh, guys, let me show you the boat on the river.
It's good weather for this.
On the river. I want to just show you the river. See there, the boat on the river. The boat sailing on the river. The boat sailing. Oh, it gone. But that's the river, guys. Yeah, gone. Kiddos. Entertainment, lunchtime entertainment, live entertainment. Something happening. Live entertainment, guys. Welcome in. Thank you for liking my live, sharing, subscribe,
What do you think I said, James?
comment. Nobody a comment, but me see over 10 people or 8 people on the live. Nobody commenting. Okay. Nobody want to ask me any question. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh boy. Entertainment done. Music stop play. So let's move along. Just here. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. Whole lot of excitement going on down there, so whole heap of excitement. Picture taking, photo shoot. Mm-hmm. Only patterns. Let me see what's going on. To walk go down the river is a healing, is a hike, guys. To go down the river is a hike. This is what them sell right here, so. Like them have ice cream. Jesus, I'm gonna walk with no money. Ice cream cake, my favorite. My favorite is ice cream cake. But I don't walk with any money.
You mentioned the money goes to like whatever's greatest need first. How is that decided what's
Ooh.
That's a really good question.
Guys,
I'm
look
not
in
exactly
here.
sure. It's basically through the office of advancement.
Okay.
So they kind of take whatever issue is first.
Okay.
A lot of the
I'm gonna
time,
walk
since this
with no
has
money.
different, like 5 distributions of where the money can go,
Mm.
they'll divide it up equally. So
Me not
whoever,
walk
like,
with no
low
money.
on something or giving back to
Them apps.
something. I think there's like a capping limit based on what you
It's free?
um,
Oh, it's free. Oh,
different place. Like, I think
it's
you have
free, guys. Guys, it's free. It's free. Let me take one.
to different
It's free, guys. It is free. So it's my favorite, so I'll take one. I thought I had to have money, guys. It's free. It's free. Ice cream is free. It's a whole heap of things are going. Which one do you want? Which one do you want, guys? Hmm. Hmm. I'm good. Thanks.
Our scoop on philanthropy.
Okay, thank you.
So we have a lot of different options.
Mm-hmm. Free ice cream.
Two book marks, feel free to take
Mm.
ice cream. This is our annual event, it's our 4th annual event.
So good, guys. It's free. I'm saying I don't have any money. Mm-mm. Guys, I told you that's a lot of stuff happening. Free ice cream, my favorite. Mmm. Mmm. See, it's good to walk. That's so beautiful. Free guy, free ice cream cake.
They're so experienced now in presenting.
Hi.
Yeah.
I say live and let live. I'd like to see him on campus.
Mhm.
Correct.
Is that Michelle? Hmm.
I feel bad because that's just a girl. Like she's just not.
Guys, this defeat the purpose of my walk. Totally defeat the purpose. Something else happening down there, so why am I give it free again? I'm up for the freeness. That's the way I go on down here, so guys. Boy, guys, today walk was fruitful.
Yeah. But I had to go go that way. I was like, they have something.
Let's see. Let's see what's going on there. Mmm, puppy. Mmm. Guys, I wish I could show you. Two cute little puppies in a cage. Mmm. Mmm. Two cute puppies, guys. Guys. So like that just right there, so. Guys, I want to show you the puppy. The little cute puppy. I'm gonna show you some of the faces right there. Oh, so cute. Puppies are so cute, guys. But anyways, whole lot of excitement happening out here today. And I'm glad I didn't miss this walk. I was feeling a bit tired. I don't even eat any lunch yet. But I get ice cream. I get ice cream cake, guys. Something is happening because see the copter landing there. The copter landing, you know? It's landing. Oh, first aid down there. Let's go. They're doing first aid down here, so let's go, guys. Woo! First aid class. I did this already. Thanks to eGov, I have my first aid certificate locked away. I've not get the chance to administer any first aid to anyone, but I have my certificate. Yep. Come, guys, I'm gonna show you what's going on the lawn. See it? Fairview Fire District. First aid. Hi. Hello. Good.
My name is Pascaline.
Hi, I'm just walking because I'm on my live, so I was just gonna show. But you can go ahead.
Our event here right now, it's more for awareness.
Yeah.
And then we also sort of have flyers here just educating people about the gender gap in heart attack symptoms between men and women. So we have the Fairview Fire Department here as well.
Yeah.
And they're all EMTs. And we have a paramedic over there who's also teaching and helping, sort of correcting students on things they need to learn. but
Okay.
also Teaching them as well. Yeah.
I think I have a certificate
Yeah.
in this
Yeah,
course.
so we're dragging people, and you have like first aid kits there and stuff like that. You want to pick things up as well on your way.
I did this before. I have a certificate.
Lovely.
Yeah. So I kind of understand, but I've never done it on a real person. But yeah, I did the certificate. Yeah.
Are you
But
coming back from Kursko?
sorry,
From Kursko, are you coming back from?
all around. I was
Oh,
walking.
you're just visiting here.
No, I work here, but I was doing my lunch hour walk. And there are a lot of things happening. Whole lot of stuff all around. So I passed here, but I never sure. Oh Jesus, is music this? I never sure what was happening. Guys, I went straight into music, but I hope it was like a minute. I wasn't realizing. So I hope YouTube don't flag me for that. It was just, I just went in there. But it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Yep. Beautiful walk. I'm glad I came out. And I did a 21 minutes plus live. I'm so happy. Oh, the tree blossom, pretty man. Look at the tree. It's so beautiful. That tree is so pretty. Yeah, pretty tree. Want my goats, guys. I'm gonna get free ice cream, cake. Yeah. So I said, oh, I don't have any money. I didn't work with any money. Not a money. Free. Free. Ambulance gone now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming on board. Yes. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Tata. Got to go.